Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your TikTok account. If this sounds helpful, watch the video till the end. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any upcoming video. In order to create your TikTok account, you will need a browser. I'm going to be using Microsoft Edge. Go to the URL bar and type in tiktok.com/signup and press enter. You can sign up for TikTok using various platforms. For this video, I'm going to be using my email address. Enter your birth date. Now type in your email address. Now you need to create a password. The password should be at least 8 to 20 characters long, which should contain letters, numbers, and special characters. Now you need to press send code. You will receive a code in your email address. Place the code here and then click on next. You will also need to create a username for yourself. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. We will be back with more content like this. Thank you for watching.